Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Dips Fitness and Lifestyle. Now everybody in this world would love to have a super complexion and glowing supple skin. Now what if I tell all my viewers who rely on cosmetics and waste a lot of money and in return just gets temporary glowing complexion to switch for once into something which is more productive, natural and organic such as yoga. Yes, you heard it correct my friends. Today I'm going to perform for you one of the most powerful yoga postures which is known to give glowing complexion. If done regularly, will definitely help you attain that super complexion and that too forever. Now my friends, there are plenty of variations into this pose which is called as bow pose or Dhanurasana, but I will be showing you how to perform just the basic bow pose. So if you all are ready now, let's get started. Lie flat on your stomach. Keep your chin on the mat and your hands on your side. Your palms should be facing up. Exhale while you bend your knees. Bring your heels as close as you can to your hips. Lift your hands and take hold of your ankles. Be sure to grab the ankle and not the part of the feet. Inhale and lift the heels away from your hips, keeping the hold of your ankles. Try to give a stretch as much as possible. Look straight ahead and hold the pose for 20 seconds while we focus on stretching, breathing and balancing. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Exhale and release the pose. Lower your head, chest, thighs and feet back towards the mat. Let go of your ankles and return your hands on your side. Relax for a few seconds and let us all repeat the pose for 2 more times. This yoga pose is perfect for glowing skin as it puts intense pressure on the abdomen area which helps in detoxifying our entire body. This pose is also a great stress buster and super effective in losing that extra weight. So guys, it's a bonus pose which will help you to give super healthy skin and glow on your face forever, as well as will keep your weight in check. Try to give a stretch as much as possible. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. While we focus on stretching, breathing and balancing. Exhale and release the pose. Lower your head, chest, thighs and feet back towards the mat. So friends, I hope you enjoyed watching my video and performing Dhanurasana with me. I want to hear from you too, so kindly write into the comment box and I shall make video of your choice. Please subscribe to my channel if you are new to my channel so it becomes much more easier to connect with one another with each upload of mine. Kindly hit the like button if you liked my video. Stay fit, stay blessed friends, till we meet again. Bye bye.